Hey guys, this is V and welcome to the channel. In this video, I want to show you how I created these candle stands. I use regular lamps that I found at the thrift store for the vase and chair legs. And this is the chair legs. What I did, I drill a hole in it and I pull out the component for the lamp and stick the rod, drill a hole and stick the rod through the wood. Now I took them outside and give them a good spray paint. What I used for the top, it was a small pot cover. I'm going to break off that piece and spray it and then attach it to my piece. So this is how they are looking, and I think they look fabulous. Look at the details on the piece. Chair legs, old lamp turned pillar candle stand for my fireplace. So I thrifted these globes right here, these glass globes, and I am going to decorate it with some pumpkins because I already have a light source on the top, the lamps. And the pumpkins came from Hobby Lobby. I got 40% off it. I think it was $6. And that's it, a nice little touch for me. This is how my fireplace is looking. I put a basket and this little decorative piece right here, gold basket. Remember, I show you guys these flower arrangement and how I style the top. This is what I did for the bottom, and I think I'm complete. Add some birds up there, some brass birds, and I think this is it for me for the fireplace. Guys, come back in the next video and I'll show you how to wire a lamp. If you find a nice lamp that you like, I will show you how to wire it. So this is the look. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Again, please like, subscribe, and share. I will leave the rest of the music. Please enjoy. Bye-bye.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you.